Turn your gaming into cash. Want extra cash? Love playing games? Cash.gg is the answer. Imagine turning your passion for gaming into a steady stream of income. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, Cash.gg offers you the perfect opportunity to earn while you play. It's the ultimate platform to earn while you have fun. Connect with friends, compete in exciting challenges, and watch your earnings grow. The more you play, the more you earn. It's that simple. Say goodbye to boring surveys and hello to exciting rewards. No more wasting time on tedious tasks. With Cash.gg, every moment spent gaming is a step closer to your next reward. Cash.gg partners with top brands to bring you paid offers and games you'll love. Discover new games, complete fun challenges, and earn real money. Partnerships ensure that you get the best offers and the most enjoyable gaming experience. Turn your free time into cash. It's easy and rewarding. Whether you're at home, on a break, or just looking to unwind, Cash.gg makes it possible to earn money doing what you love. Signing up on Cash.gg is a breeze. Whether you're at home or on the go, you can get started in just a few minutes. Simply visit the website and create a free account. The registration process is straightforward and user-friendly, designed to get you up and running quickly. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly dashboard. This intuitive interface ensures that even beginners can navigate with ease. Here, you'll find everything you need to start earning. The platform is designed to be both efficient and enjoyable. Cash.gg makes it easy and fun to earn rewards. The more you engage, the more you earn, turning your spare time into a profitable venture. Level up your earnings offers, battles, and lotteries. Cash.gg offers a variety of ways to earn, catering to every type of user. Whether you're a casual user looking to make some extra cash or a competitive gamer aiming for big wins, there's something for everyone. Complete paid offers by trying out new apps, taking surveys, or watching videos. These simple tasks can be done anytime, anywhere, making it easy to earn on the go. Engage in exciting battles against other players for a chance to win big. Test your skills and strategy in various games and climb the leaderboards to earn impressive rewards. Feeling lucky? Participate in lotteries for a shot at massive prizes. With so many options available, there's never a dull moment on Cash.gg. From daily challenges to special events, there's always something new and exciting to explore. Dive in and discover your favorite way to earn. Join the community of users who are already enjoying the benefits of Cash.gg and start your journey to earning today. The possibilities are endless. Want to earn passively? Cash.gg affiliate program is your ticket. Share your unique referral link with friends and family. When they join and earn, you earn too. It's a win-win situation. Imagine earning while you sleep, all thanks to the power of sharing. The more active your referrals, the more you earn. Start building your network and watch your earnings soar. Cash in your winnings, PayPal and beyond. Cashing out your earnings is simple and secure with Cash.gg. Choose PayPal for quick and easy transfers to your account. Want more options? Cash.gg also supports cryptocurrencies and gift card redemptions. You have the flexibility to choose the payout method that suits you best. What are you waiting for? The time to start is now. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to turn your gaming skills into cash. Join Cash.gg today and start earning. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.